What's up guys, my name is Elias and in today's video we are going to compare AutoDS to DSers to actually answer the question which one is better for your dropshipping success. Now I do want to mention that I will link you both AutoDS as well as DSers down below, and if you do want to sign up to AutoDS, I do have an exclusive deal for you guys. You are going to get an extended 30-day free trial by using the link down below. Now AutoDS as well as DSers are at its core going to help you with actually importing and fulfilling different kind of orders for your dropshipping store. Now, if we are now going to dive into the dashboard of AutoDS, we can actually see that overall, although they do have the marketplace function, they are also going to have a lot of other useful features like different kind of hand-picked products, a TikTok ad spy, trending products, as well as also other extra features like print on demand, a dashboard with automatic fulfillment of orders, and this is generally one of the best features out there. They are also going to give you guys product sourcing requests essentially. So with this you can just put in whatever kind of product you do want to sell, and then AutoDS is actually going to reach out to their manufacturers and they're then going to try to actually dropship that product for you with a lower product cost and with better shipping times than on AliExpress, for example. Now, because AutoDS does actually own most of the supply chain on their own, they can actually also offer you custom branding, which also just is a great feature in my opinion. Now, on the other hand, DSers' kind of main focus is dropshipping with AliExpress. So they are actually going to give you guys a lot of feature to do exactly that. You can, for example, do supplier optimization, you can bundle products, you can automatically sync tracking numbers on AliExpress and so on. However, in my opinion, it doesn't make sense to actually dropship with AliExpress, and that's kind of the sole purpose of DSers, because if you are going to dropship with AliExpress, most of the time you are going to have quite high product costs, and then additionally the shipping times are horrible. So I would actually 100% recommend you to go for DSers. It is going to be a great all-in-one tool essentially, which is going to help you streamline your dropshipping success. Once again, you can get an extensive free trial by using the link down below.